The GBNRYG Metal Detector MD-12 is designed for efficiency with its large search coil, allowing for faster ground coverage and precise detection of coins up to 12 inches underground. With 5 distinct detection modes, this metal detector offers versatility for locating various metals, from coins to jewelry, making it perfect for treasure hunting enthusiasts. Its user-friendly design includes a collapsible cam lock and screwless assembly, complemented by a large backlit display and comfortable silicone buttons for easy operation. The included treasure hunting kit, which comes with essential accessories like a backpack, headphones, and a digger, ensures a comprehensive outdoor adventure. Adjustable sensitivity and volume settings cater to different environments, making it suitable for both adults and children to enjoy treasure hunting together. The IP68 waterproof search coil enables exploration in wet conditions, such as beach walks or shallow water, although the controller must remain dry.